Hello, friend. Where are you going? My God. You are here. I was going to you. Anything wrong with you? Yes, a report of the Green Party regarding tree-cutting culture is greatly tormenting me. I see. To save our green environment, Green Party is emphasizing on afforestation instead of deforestation anymore. What is afforestation? Afforestation means planting trees systematically. Yay! Tree plantation? Tree gives us shelter, shade, food and other facilities such as maintenance of ecosystem for which natural ingredients go their own way smoothly. The trees are, in a word, the port of a living beings under the sun, but a matter of regret that this are being cutting down purposively. Consequently, the nature is losing her ecological balance. Ecological factors are being at 6s and 7s. So we have no alternative but to save environment through more and more treatment campaign. You want to say that the necessity of tree plantation is needless to mention anymore, do you? Yes.